Hello, it's Mark Holmes here, the editor of Via Satellite. I'm delighted today to be with Stéphane Israël, the CEO of Arianespace in Evry here in near Paris in France. Stéphane, let's get to some of the big issues with Arianespace at the moment. Can you give us an update on Ariane 5 ME and Ariane 6 and the timeline?
Yeah, sure. So, now Europe, through ESA, the European Space Agency, is preparing the future, and in this future there is first an evolution of Ariane 5, which is called Ariane 5 ME, middle life evolution. The idea is to have a more powerful rocket with 11 tons for the satellite, 11 tons net, to have a reignitable upper stage and more volume under the fairing. And in parallel there is a program of Ariane 6, which goals is to be more competitive in terms of cost. So the idea is to have a rocket at 70 million euros, so around $90 million, and it will be a 6.5 ton rocket for institutional and commercial launch. And now Europe is working on the two programs. The two programs are making very good progress, and at the end of the year in Luxembourg, Europe is going to make the final decision, the way they are going to fine-tune the two programs.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about the market this year. We're coming up to Satellite 2014 and everyone's gearing up for that, and always one of the big questions is what's 2014 going to be like? What are you expecting to see in terms of new orders, what types of orders, and also in terms of maybe markets, in terms of regions where you think there'll be some growth for you guys?
So in terms of order, 2013 has been very successful for Arianespace. We have been able to capture 15 satellites, so it was an outstanding year. This year we think there will be many small satellites on the market, because in the previous years there were more big satellites. So yeah. I would highlight this point, the fact that now we expect more maybe small satellites than big satellites. We do not really have targets, because our target is to capture all of them. Maybe we will not be successful in capturing all of them, but let's say that we want to target as many as possible satellites, and we are confident that we are going to make it.
And I'll end on the obligatory SpaceX question. I think since we last spoke, that they've now had a couple of successful launches. Again, they've been gaining a lot of press in the market, talking about the prices that they're able to offer launch services going forward. I mean, are we seeing the start of a new phase in this launch market as a result of these guys coming in?
Yes, I think what is important in our business is the track record. Ariane 5, we have had 58 successes in a row, and we have been able to launch 215 rockets. So this will be my answer. Mm-hmm. But definitely there is some competition, and we must face competition, because our customers, they are delighted by competition, and so we are not afraid of it. Regarding the cost, we can also consider it, mm-hmm. But for sure the cost is a sum of many factors. The first is reliability, the second is quality, maybe the third availability, but if we have to make some exercise on the cost, we are ready to make it.
Excellent. Well, Stéphane, we look forward to seeing you debate those issues at Satellite 2014. This is Mark Holmes, the editor of Via Satellite, reporting from Evry near Paris.